What's going on, everybody? I didn't like this dull third brake light, so I went ahead and got a laser LED one, and I'm going to show you how to install it. Alright, so I've changed all my tail lights and the side markers except for this third tail light. As you can see, it's a little bit dull, so it's time to get that up out of there. For me, I take off the two inside tail lights so I can reach in through right here and get to the light. So of course, to take those lights off, I believe it's a T15 torque screw. Once you got that out, you can now access the third brake light. There are two screws holding it on. Both are 7 millis. Of course, there's one plug. I just put this light in here so you guys can see. I do it blindly just by reaching in. Best way to do it is, of course, just unplug the plug and then get each screw on each side. Of course, the right one from the right side, left one from the left side. If you must see what you're doing, best advice I can give is to use a front camera with a flashlight, and so you can see what you're doing somewhat. You're gonna have problems though, because you're gonna have to use two hands. Although my tail lights are from Vette Lights, I got this third light from Amazon. It has the option where you can make it solid when you stop, or it can blink 3 times and then go solid. So that's what the switch on there is for. This new light doesn't come with threads yet, so I had to thread the screw in, then take it out, then re-put it in. Best way to install is when you have the light loose, you can actually see the hole from the outside. So you can get that in both holes with both bolts loose, and then go ahead and tighten it up. Make sure you plug it back in, and this is the finished product. Got the little blinky blink. Show you again. That's it. Thank you guys for watching.